Plan models from KTM, Husqvarna and GasGas for 2022. Welcome to the news from MOTORCYCLES.NEWS/EN. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Pierer Mobility AG has a lot planned for the KTM, Husqvarna and GasGas brands. Some new models are to come, and GasGas is also to manufacture motorcycles for the road in the future. GasGas is so far more known for trials, cross and enduros. They are planning 3 models for the street in the future. According to the presentation image of the Pierer Mobility AG, 2 models with 800cc engine and 1 model with 250cc engine will be released. It can be assumed that they will rely on KTM technology and that the current KTM 790cc and 250cc engines will be used. The images released are still very hazy, but one can make out a naked bike in the 800cc and 250cc range, as well as an 800cc touring bike equipped with cases. Husqvarna plans to release 125cc, 250cc, 401cc and 501cc models in the supermoto, enduro and naked bike segments. Travel enduros with 250cc, 401cc and 501cc are also slated to come. In addition, the release of the Norden 901 is still pending. 4 entry-level models with a retro look are also listed, although no displacement information is given here. In 2022, the completely new KTM 490 series is finally to be introduced. The engine is planned to be transplanted into an adventure, enduro, supermoto, Duke and a new sports bike. For the 890, a Duke and adventure seems to be planned. Thanks for watching.